Alright, it is day 14 of Adventure Code. I am currently doing this from a Starbucks in Korea. But yeah, we have about 10 seconds left here. Not a lot to do. And here we go. Okay, this is some kind of grid problem. Rocks roll. And rolls and sausage. Okay, well first we tilt it up so that they all go up. So let's just do um these O's or zeros? They're O's, okay. Zero. I think and I think we can just do this into this. Do it this many times. Make sure that this looks roughly correct. They all slid up. Yeah. Okay. Now figure out the load. What is the load? Number of rows from the rock to the south edge of the platform. South edge. So I think that's just including the row the rock is on. So that's going to be G. If it's the very last row, then it should be 1. So then G minus I. I think it's just correct. Rank 18. Okay. Oh, now they. Interesting. Spin cycle. They roll as far as they can. Oh, okay. Oh. And then I really need this. I don't know why I didn't make this earlier. What I can do. Whoops. Let's do that. This is the direction they're moving in. Yes, okay. If I plus I. Oh, do they all move simultaneously? It doesn't really matter, actually. We can do the same logic from before. Because a spin cycle, they move as far as they can. Oh, we really don't need. We can still keep mutating G. That should be fine. Oh my god. Oh my god, my editor. So I think that's just fine. Oh. Now what we do, north and west. It's probably just not changing at some point, right? Oh, and they probably are changing. That's too many to simulate, right? I think so. Billion. Probably at some point we get to a point where it's just unchanged after a repeat of 4, and then we can just skip the rest. So let's do that. And what we should do is whenever we move something, we should set this flag. So directions are north, then west, -1, then south, and then east. Then while not in G, 6 to Y. We just keep doing it, and eventually they stop moving. For now, it's like G is parameter and not local. Okay, I don't really care about that. It's right there. Fine. Does not matter. Okay, so that's how fast it simulates. Oh my god. My shell does not restart. This new version of Idle is like much worse for this reason. Wow, okay. And now we have to reopen it. Isn't that fantastic? So much waste of time. This is not day 13, this is day 14. Okay. What we'll do is, after the cycle, sure, fine. Okay, so full cycle is all of this. And if, then we can just break. And then, otherwise, so when we're done, then we want the full load, and this should compute the total load again. So I think that's just fine. Start that running, I guess. I'd like to know... Oh, there's an answer? That's right? Not the right answer. Okay. How far do we make it through this? I'm curious. Only 150 cycles and it was unchanged. Total load on the north support beams. It's still the same thing, right? Okay, let's actually print G at some point here, and then just break. So after a full cycle, it should be like pushed to the right. They don't look all pushed to the right. That's not great. Oh, that was silly. Okay, let's go for that. And just let this run again. Oh, that was a fast answer. Still not the right answer. Oh, it's because I had the break there. That's silly. Well, let's get my new answer. This looks correct now. That was so silly. I burned a whole minute on that. Well, it might take it more than a minute to run. I don't actually know. This could actually just never finish, to be honest. If it never finishes, that'd be pretty sad. I don't really know a faster way to do this. I don't have PyPy downloaded, so I can't use PyPy, unfortunately. There's no kind of cyclic. As soon as we see a cycle, right? So after a full cycle, it could be earlier in this. Do I need to track this? Is this even correct? I don't think that this is. Is that correct? I don't actually know. I could download PyPy, it's kind of silly. Check leaderboard. Some people have solved it. Only 9. Yeah, I don't think this is right. I think I needed the modulus trick, but I'm not entirely sure. I think what we should do is. How different is it? I kind of want to diff some of the later ones. Yeah. ED differences. I kind of would like the symmetric, to be honest. So let's do. I think I should just let this run and then write the code for this after. Okay, this is not done. It's my zip SG class. And then it's in SD. Otherwise, that looks fine to me. So then print I, and it's also print SD, or SD of SG. Yeah. If this number goes like somewhat down generally, then oh whoops, I got a set. Okay, the number is going down. Wait, how did it only get down to 80? Does it like suddenly spike up? Suspicious. Very suspicious. Huh? How does it get back up to 80? Did I have a different bug? I might have. It's a little suspicious. I am storing it correctly, right? I think so. Oh, went down. It's definitely not that efficient. I could just move things all at once. I don't know if it's worth writing the faster thing. How are exactly 4 things changing every single time? This seems weird. Oh. I have a vague idea. Ugh. What's my best use of my time right now? Oh, there's the answer. Okay, so finish on 180. And then, yeah, something about earlier was wrong. Okay, so here's my loop. My loop is of length 18, which means that okay, so 162 is the same as this. So we need 172. We need a thing that maps to 172. Let's do. So I am gonna need this, but then also, oops. Sure. Like very paranoid. Please don't have an off by one. Crap. I had an off by one here. I probably had an off by one at least. Oh man. This is. Wait, did I mistype this? No, I think I had it right. Okay, let's write it programmatically now, maybe. Oh, I wish I had PyPy installed. Am I out of math? It was 18, right? Yeah. I could try the sample input. I don't know how quickly this will live. I think it might be doomed. Let's find out. Oops. Okay, so that was fast. And it was 9 and then 2. So I think the question is, let's do. Oops. When we're done, what we want to do is so last vowel plus okay, I'm so rusty I can't do this math right. M minus vowel. That's how many loops we had left to go. But this modulo loop length will just do nothing. So this is how many we want. So we want to go to last vowel minus loop length plus this. Oh, I did a string. Oh no. Obviously it's not gonna work on a string. That's dumb. Oh, I lost my thing too. No. Ugh. Obviously that was wrong. We're gonna let it run all over again now for the non-sample input. Do I even have enough time? I think it might. Oh, it's already capped. Okay. That's unfortunate. Oh man. When did it cap? About a minute ago? Yeah, I would have barely reported, I think, if I didn't have this bug. Well, this should have been one. Maybe there was no bug here. Oh no, this was definitely. Oh no. Yeah, no. Yeah, this is clearly just wrong. It's because I'm storing them in as strings so that they're hashable, and then this is not meant to parse the string. So, what I want is. I can do. I can reconstruct it this way, and then this should work. I'm just gonna. Oops. Just gonna run this manually once it finishes. This is just so I can paste it in. Oops. Why can I not do this? Let's print the answer too. You can only paste one clause. Oh, whoops. Okay, paste this in. What? Jeez. Oh. What's the number? No, still not the right answer. Okay, well, clearly I'm just doing something horribly wrong here. Oh, these do look all pushed to the left. Well, now I am a little stumped. Try the sample input again and find out. 55 was the answer. 64, so that's not right. Well, let's just debug a little. Just for the avoidance of bugs. And then... Okay, so... What? I'm still asking about North support beams. Does this never change? Just have some bad bug. I mean, now the leaderboard's full. It's not. There's no pressure, but still like to get this. I guess I kind of have no idea where the bug is now. And this is a little weird as well. I guess I'll start by doing... Okay, here's the first one. After one cycle, that looks correct. After 2 cycles, this looks correct. After 3 cycles... Ooh, that does not look right. Wait, what? Sorry, this does not look right, right? SG is after it finishes the full cycle. So we did a full cycle, and it looked like this. That matches. Then it looked like this. This matches, right? Then it looks like this. Oh, this does match, right? I just was looking at the wrong 2 images, maybe? Weird. Do I need to do like a partial cycle or something? Process. I think my looping should work. So, oh, this is not one indexed. The problem? I kind of doubt it. Oh my god, that was the problem. That was the only problem. That's depressing. Alright, well, let's let it run. It'll take a minute. Oh no, I do not need this printing. Okay, those prints are fine. They come slowly enough. Oh, well, now nothing to do but wait. I guess I'm curious. Oh. Still only 300 submissions for the second part. Oh, maybe I shouldn't jinx it until it actually gives a correct answer. Oh. Yeah, I was just always simulating one extra cycle. I'm a little confused why none of them had 64 when I printed the load length for everything, but oh, it's because this uses G and not GG. Oh, so when I printed out the load on the north for all of them, which is one of my debugging things, I would have had an error where I was doing this. I'll do this just in case. That should be good. That shouldn't change anything, and this shouldn't either because when it's being called, it's like always here. But just in case. I'm still gonna submit whatever it shows immediately. Come on, almost there. I wonder if these inputs are constructed in a way such that it's a number, and that's the right answer, 361. Cool. Well, that is all I have for today. Because I am in a Starbucks and it is noisy in the background, I am not going to try and explain today's problem. Sorry if you were hoping for that explanation, but I don't know. I guess ask for it in the comments, and maybe if enough people want it, I can do a separate video explaining this one. But cool. That's all I have for day 14. I will see you tomorrow.